Hello everyone, my name is Altama Sheikh and today I am going to be presenting the TADAA Framework, or AI consulting in practice. We will see how to train, ask, dig, enhance, and assemble AI output that actually work for real client. This is my AI certification component video, third component. TADAA just simply means train, ask, dig, addition, and assemble. So now let's deep dive into it. So let us talk about me. My name is Altama Sheikh. So I always wonder how can I train AI that it work for me? The output that is generated is like a human, not like a robot. And that's why this TADA framework is prepared. I've learned it from Alicia Little, a structured methodology that like uses generic AI output and turn it into a professional one that no one can detect that it is AI generated, and we can easily deliver it to real client and get paid out of it. For the I'm certified TADA, I am certified and I've completed the capstone project. I'm ChatGPT power user, I'm daily practitioner, and I've worked with the real client and it's actually working, and I've used it for myself as well. So the problem is most people are using AI wrong. They are just getting generic output. Why they are getting generic output? Because they are just typing a small vague prompt and just they whatever the result that they get, they just take it from the first result. They don't ask, they don't deep dive into it, and the output that it will get, it just sound like a generic. Wasted time. Hours are spent manually rewriting, editing, tweaking out the things. We just copy paste and paste it into Word or Google Docs, and there we again have to do all the formatting and everything, where a lot of time is wasted. No proper system is there. Every piece of content is one of the gamble. No repeatable process. We have again and again we have to do the same thing and no consistent quality. We can see up and down for the quality, and it is very dangerous, guys. There is a better framework, and that the way is called the TADA framework, and let us see into it. So what is TADA framework? Okay, so this is a structurized five-stage methodology to produce consistent high quality on-brand AI content every single minute. First we have to do is train. T stand for train. First we have to set the AI voice, tone and personality. We have to give a bio, a written scripts, structure, blogs and everything to train that model. Then we have to ask deep into it, ask precise in detail from what actually do you want, okay? And deep dive into it, ask more about the data, statistic, experts quote into it. Additional, ask for more visual appealing, visual components, images and formatting. And then at last, we have to assemble everything, polish into a final deliverable output so that it no longer look like generic AI output. The difference between someone who uses ChatGPT and an AI consultant is this framework, and it is very important, my guys. So first of all, we will talk about the T for train framework. We will setting up the AI identity before we ask anything. Okay, feed the AI with the sampling from your client. Whatever the client earlier blog post are there, you have to post in the bio, how they write, what are the format, the conversational bold, what should be the tune of the writing. Set a rule, avoid jargons, always use data, no fluff, okay, no extra writing, and lock in a persona that persists across all content. It should be not like this content is written by someone else and this content is written by AI. Here you can see a example prompt as well. You are using AI writing assistant for a professional real estate agency. Your audience is property buyers age 30 to 55. Here the market persona is defined. You are an inspirational and financial savvy, writer, confidence, experience, voice. Always lead with emotional before fact. Never use filter phrases. And in conclusion, or it's worth nothing back every market claim with data. Okay, so train once use across hundred of piece of content. Second stage is ask. A for ask. Craft the prompt that get exactly what you need. Like I will give you a two example. A bad prompt. Write a blog post about AI for small business. And now, what is the detailed prompt I will show you? Write a 900 words through leadership article for small business owner 25 to 45 age growth minded on how AI reduces operational costs. Use the training profile already established. Include three real statistics. Open with a strong hook. End with the CTA, a book, a consultation format with four subheadings. Here you can see five elements are there in a great prompt: audience definition, format and length, tool reference, specific goals, and constraint. Now let us dive into the third stage, that is dig. First, turning good content into credible authoritative content. Okay. First component is statistics. Like 77% of SMBs plan to use AI within 2 years. This is by Forbes 2024. Experts code AI won't replace business, but AI using businesses will replace. This is said by Barden Mar. We can use case studies element. Austin skincare brand customer satisfaction up from 67% to 91% in 90 days. We can use research. McKinsey AI added $4.4 trillion annually to global economic value. This is what they which separate an AI consultant from prompt monkey to credibility, that is trust, and that's how we get the client. Now talk about the additional elevating content beyond text into a complete professional experience. Okay, we can add visual elements like images, infographic, charts that make content shareable. Second thing is formatting, headers, call-out box, bullet list for easy scaling, data visualization, table and comparison graphics to anchor key statistics, brand design, color, font, and style consistent with the client identity, CTA and links, clear next step embedded naturally in the content, platform fit, a adaptive format for blog, social, email, or slide. So it should be so all this is component and very important and elevating content beyond text and into a complete professional experience you can get by additional. And the last step is assemble the final polish pass, turning a draft into a deliverable. Read it as a client. Does every sentence earn its place? Would that target audience keep reading? If anything you found overwhelming, you can just remove that. Check logical flow. Does section 1 naturally leads to section 2? Are the transitions smooth? Verify all the city. Is that the next action clear? It is placed at the right moment or not? Platform optimize. Is that format right for where this will be live? Is it good for blog, email, or LinkedIn? Final proof, no spelling mistake, no leftover AI phrases, consistent brand voice throughout should be there. So real result before and after TADAA framework. Before TADAA framework, how AI is changing small business. You can see example, artificial intelligence is becoming more popular in business world. Many small businesses are starting to use AI tool to help them with a different task. In this article, we will talk about how AI is changing small businesses. What is AI? AI stands for small artificial intelligence. It is the technology that allow computer to do things and so on. But see, after TADA framework, what is there? The AI advantage, how business are outplacing the competition, walking into a having small business today and will find AI working quietly in the background, answering queries at 2 a.m., scheduling posts, predicting next month. bestseller. 77% of SMBs plan to adopt, with small and medium businesses using planning to adopt within 2 years. It is given by 40% reduction in operational costs reported by AI adopter, 3x faster content creation. You can see how good it is that, and the results are specific. The statistics are so accurate, and we can easily understand the real scenario by TADAA Framework, and it doesn't look like AI generated anymore. AI tools I use daily, so I mainly use these four AI tools regularly. Okay, so first of all, use the ChatGPT for training prompts, article writing, email drafts, social caption, strategy, docs. I use it in all stages. Okay, Claude AI I usually use for deep research analysis, long form content, document analysis, complex reasoning, report generation. I have even used Claude for making this PPT, and it has helped me a lot and reduced my time a lot. Canva AI is another great tool for presentation, social graphic, infographics, branded template with AI design assistant. Perplexity is great for research and fast checking real-time web sources. We can just do the statistics, and we can allow just search from YouTube or any specific source. We can allow them verify claims before publishing. So it is good for dig. So now we can live demonstration. Watch TADA in action. I will demonstrate the full TADA process live from blank polish to the polish output. First, set up ChatGPT with a custom tone and profile for a real estate client. Write a precise, detailed prompt for property listing and real Mumbai market statistic. Add and source expert column. And then I will tell you in addition, format with header, emojis, and CTA ready for Instagram. And then I will last add final review, check flow, voice, call to action, and brand frame. So this is the real world application case study for Prestige Reality Group, AI-driven consent strategy. Earlier, the problem was around 45 to 90 minutes per property description. It used to take only 4 to 6 social media posts used to be done, only one newsletter per quarter, no consistent brand voice. Now, with the result after 90 days is under 5 minutes per listing, 100% or 100 plus automated. 20 to 30% social media posts per month, monthly AI newsletter launch, unified voice across all 35 agents, 70% less production time, 5x more content output, 3x projected lead, 80% 80 plus hours saved per month. So pro tip best practices I've learned. Build build a prompt wall. Okay, save every good prompt in your library where you can never have to start from zero again. Train before every session. Always post your training prompt first. Every mild conversation re-anchor the AI and tone is drift. Or dig before publishing. Add your data and code before additional stage. It changes that visuals and call out you create. Read it loud. It assemble and read the content out loud. You will catch awkward phrases that I skip over. A/B test your prompt. Run the same brief with the two different ask prompt. Compare output, refine, build better prompts over time. Document every workflow. Create a systematic operating procedure for each content type. This is how you scale from one client to 10 without losing quality. So, five things to remember. TADA is a system, not a shortcut. It takes more effort upfront but produces dramatically better, more consistent result at a scale. Train first always. The train phase is where 80% of the quality comes from. Skip it and you will get generic output. Data is equal to credibility. The stage is what makes AI content trustworthy. Without it, you can just adding to the noise. Polish matter more than perfection. A symbol is just readingness, not perfection. A final deliverable output with a perfect draft every time. This is a consulting methodology. TADA let you charge for the process, not just the output. This is how you build a sustainable AI consulting practice. So this is last thank you. I am open for the questions in the comment box and you can connect with me. You can search Altamas Sheikh on LinkedIn and you will find my profile and also on my other social media profiles. Okay, I am certified and I'm going to be certified very soon AI consultant. I'm part of AI certification program. Okay, so now apply it. Start with one client, one content type, and this question is no longer whether AI belongs in your business. The question is whether you can afford to be without it. Thank you and bye bye.